All right. Hello world. Today I will be continuing working on my item system. Last time I created just an item and reworked some of the graphics, and I ended with a bit of a bug. Upon looking at my code, I'd realized that I just had the wrong symbol here. I'm actually not so certain as to why the game just straight up didn't fail. Because yeah, that makes no sense, jumping to that memory location. But yeah, I must have been jumping to some weird routine that just so happened to return, but also ended up screwing some stuff up. So yeah, I fixed that, and it looked like that got things working again. So if I build and I run, now I have my little gun. It's not doing all this weird stuff. Always something really weird, something small can just cause a catastrophic failure. All right. But now I need to change the color. I don't want the gun to be blue. I want the gun color to be a different color. So I'm going to have to go in and change that. So yeah, and it's in the draw routine for the gun. Yeah, I'm wondering how. Just thinking of what I can do with this code that repeats. I'll worry about that later. All right, for now I need to, what do I need to do? I need to think about the colors. Okay. Attribute. Let's see what the definition of this was. arg1. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's arg2. Not sure this comment makes any sense. I should probably update that. Okay, so why am I doing and one? Not sure if that makes sense. All right, let me see what my palette was. Okay. Interesting. Maybe just 0? Makes sense to do this. What if I just do that? What does that give me? What does that give me? Looks like it works to me. And I actually don't need to do this again. And for here, this really should just be load. I don't know why this was and. And I don't need to do this again here. And I don't need to do this again here. Because it's all the same color. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm just thinking like, can I just strip this out here, put it in the loop, my main loop for the draw routine? I'm thinking I should do that. Yeah, I don't think this needs to be in here. Store X. Am I doing any load X? Am I manipulating X? Am I doing load X or transfer A to X tax? Doesn't look like it. And am I jumping to any subroutines? See, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, so X remains intact there. What does this do? Check if object in view window. Okay. Jump, draw, object, return. Okay, so that is just jumping down there. Transfer A to Y. Okay. Okay, do I want to do that? Jump subroutine, check object in view window. This is where things get a bit more complicated. Looked like Y. Okay, Y is used in here. Just wondering, I probably just omit this. Yeah, don't draw. It's basically just, yeah. Checking if I need to draw or not. Yeah, I still have to update its position. Regardless, because it is spawned. Okay. Why do I do this twice? Oh, one for the X and one for the Y. One for the X and one for the Y. I see. Okay. Yeah, that's expensive. That's an expensive operation right there. All this crap, all this work, all this checking, just to see if an object is on screen. Yeah, I think it's so much because it's 16 bits. That's why. Yeah, object X. Yeah. Okay. Ah, and that's why. So that's why I store X there. I don't think is X actually manipulated here? I don't think it is. Wondering if I'm doing that work for nothing. All right. Well, this work is always going to have to get done. Updating its scroll and determining whether or not I need to even draw. I think the problem though is that this is no. This is fine actually. This is fine. Oh wait, no, or is it? Because I'm like buried in this. No, this isn't a routine, is it? just thinking because in this subroutine, I checked to see if I need a bail by like not rendering, and because I've jumped to this subroutine, I don't want to return to subroutine to return back here. If I want to bail, I want to just bail back to the main loop, the main render loop. So I do this pulling from the stack to clear that address. That's why I do, yeah, PLA, right? So yeah, I clear that 16-bit address, and then I just straight up jump right back to this main loop, as opposed to just returning to where I was. Just thinking, I could probably optimize this a bit more. So if I put this, maybe not. Since I do call it twice, I still need to know, this still needs to be present. If I was only calling it once, I wouldn't need this return statement. But since I'm calling it twice, I need to remember which one of those two I need to go back to. So I'm just going to leave that there. So I am just going to take this, because this is just going to be repeated a bunch of times, and I'm just going to dump it in there. Object address I. Right. Right. Transfer A to Y. I don't think. This. Oh, that's so much code. Update objects loop end. Update object loops end. I hope that branch reaches. God, I hate that when it doesn't. It's like the worst thing ever. Okay, so yeah, it looks like X. I don't think Y is manipulated at all here. Just to make sure. Yeah, I don't see any Y operations, so I think this is fine. I hope this assembles. I hope that branch is not out of range. And does this really need to be done? Am I manipulating? I didn't see any sort of X or Y manipulation in this trace of code here. Branch, other direction, other direction. it's just updating. Let me think about what I'm doing here. All right, let's just see if this destroyed everything. Now I want to stay in here. Wait. God damn it. It's out of range. God fucking damn it. I hate that. Just jump. Just go the distance. I wonder how much out of range I am. Like, can I maybe get away by just not doing these two things? No. God, I hate that. What can I do? I don't want to do unnecessary jumps. I don't want to do unnecessary jumps. What can I do? I think this, I just have to flip this around, right? Jump, update objects loop. Yeah, that doesn't make sense, does it? Update object loop end. I don't want to branch all the way down there. What if I just do this? Does this work? Can I do that? I can't remember. What am I saying? Let me think. Yeah, register is less than data. No, I'd have to, this doesn't make sense. If it's greater than, we're saying if it's greater than this, go to the end. No, actually, yeah, I think I had it right. If it's less than 10, let me think about this. What the hell am I doing? Okay. Load. I load the object. Is it empty? Update object, continue. Ah. Then I go here. If it's not empty. So if it is empty, then I have to, yeah, I think I had this right. So if it's less than 10, then we want to keep going. If it's less than 10, keep looping. If it's not less than 10, then jump to the end. Right? I think that works. Well, yeah, maybe I shouldn't be doing. Oh! How did that compile or assemble? Still screwy. What the hell? Oh. Do I need to do this? Is that actually important? God. All right, let me put this back. Although I shouldn't have to. Oh, I'm silly. That's the. I was doing it in the object update loop. I needed to be doing it in this loop. Okay, well, let me. Stupid. Let me do this. And stupid, so stupid. Let me do this where I need to make it match. This is like this. Okay. 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 That's what I thought. That's what I'm expecting. Silly, silly, silly. Silly, silly, silly. Okay, but that's looking right. That's looking right now. Okay. Cool, cool. So now I kind of want to get rid of this. Feeling I'm not using it. And yeah, it looks like I'm not using it. Let me just continue to move around a bit here. Yeah. That's a lot of items here. What the heck? Is that transparency? Ugh. I should not have transparency for that. Yeah, it's black, so what gives? Yeah, why? Oh my god. Yeah, the coloring is off on this thing. Yeah, I gotta remember, black is transparency here. Black is transparency. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Where is... Oh, good lord. All of these, right? All of these only have 2 colors. Why the hell did I do that? I'm gonna have to recolor those things. Ugh. I didn't do it for... No, I did it for this too, didn't I? Why the hell did I do that? What was I thinking? Why the hell did I do that? No wonder why these graphics look so flat. Why did I think I only had 2 colors? Oh, man. Oh, God. All right. Whatever. Pressing onward. Okay, don't need that. It's not really doing any weird X stuff, I don't think. Yeah, X acts as the index of the object. Okay. right. I wanted to delete from the other object that same chunk of code. Wherever it was. Yes, let's see. Actually, this is the one I wanted. Okay. Yeah, I don't need any of this. I'm just gonna cut it out. Okay, okay, okay. What does this do? Do I even need this? arg3 and arg4. Do I need to be doing that? Do I really need to be doing that? That is costly. That is a very costly operation there. Do I need to even be doing that? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Just putting that in arg3 and arg4. Yeah, I straight up don't need to be doing that. Just do it right there. Just literally do it right here. Yeah. Yeah? Okay, let's get rid of that. Get rid of this. This does not need to exist. Do not need to waste a whole jump doing this. Goodbye. 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 Just get rid of that too. Okay. Okay. That looks right. Okay. Okay. So that's a bit more optimized now. Well, now when I collide into the gun, I need the gun to disappear. I need to destroy itself. It needs to destroy itself. So basically, what does that mean? that means I have to write as, what was it, FF or something? I think that's what I was using. Oh, it doesn't exist. What was I using? That thing. FF. Throw FF in there. Right, because FF is the maximum index. Okay, so so that just destroys the object. I wonder if I need to clear, like, do I clear everything else out? Do I need to really do that? Or should I do that when the object spawns? The object spawns, it's in an init state. Then after the first frame, it enters whatever state, main state. And in the init state, just clears all the stuff out, all these values. And then when it kills itself, it just clears this one out. I'm thinking that makes sense. That way, if one object only needs like one of these parameters, it just uses what it needs. And I don't have to waste time clearing unnecessary bits of information out. I think that makes sense. Okay. So let's see if this works. Well, that don't look like it's working. Okay. Is this actually doing what I'm thinking it's doing? Oh no, FF represents, stupid. It's just basically setting itself to itself. Oh, whoa. Instantly cleared itself out. Must be doing this wrong. Oh, duh. Get out of here. Right here. That's where I need to be doing it. Bam. Bam. Let me gobble up these items. Bam. Bam. Yeah, and I don't think they respawn. I need to, yeah, I kind of need to confirm that, don't I? Reset this. Okay. So let me spawn a whole bunch of objects. Okay. Okay, so these things should all be somewhere in memory. Okay, I think they're here. Yeah, these were my pointers. Let me reset this again. Okay. Right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 have been spawned. And that's why I should see 4 values here being updated. Yeah, so right now it's only 2. Here. Here. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are my IDs. This is basically saying, like, don't spawn again. I do not need to spawn this again. It's already active. But now if I get this, yeah, now this is deleted, FF, deleted. Yeah, and these things stay. But basically what I need to do is add something that despawns, meaning it deletes itself when it's out of view, or so far from the camera, but it also restores its ID here. That needs to happen. But yeah, so now you only see these things updating. So if I get another one, man, that collision box I probably should have adjusted a bit more. All right. So now we only have one that has been spawned and is active. So it looks like it's working. Oh, I spawned a bunch more now. Yeah, it's crazy how they all stay alive like that. But yeah, they overwrote the first few slots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Looks like it's working, and we just destroy these things. And now everything's all freed. I have one more that's spawned somewhere, and I don't remember where the hell it is. Can't remember if it was like over here. Yeah, I'm not sure where. Not sure where I have that last one. Oh well. Oh, right up there. There it was. Right there. Okay. Okay. Now I need to what do I need to do? I need to actually create an item system. That's what I need to do. So just thinking. I need to remember. Oh, where is it? Oh, where the heck is it? In my main loop, what do I populate? Do I not populate anything? Ugh. Do I need to add extra stuff to my object spawner? Man, I don't want to do that. I think I have to. My thinking right now is that I don't have any like sort of custom thing to add to any object. Just spawns the object. But like say I wanted to add some unique thing to it, something that customizes it, I don't have that ability. For instance, if I wanted to spawn two birds, one facing the direction left and one facing the direction Y, I would need like an extra byte of information that the object spawner basically accepts. And I don't have that. Problem with doing that is, yeah, you have to have two of those arrays because of the X and Y direction. It's like whatever that thing is, whatever that byte is, that byte array, you'd have to have two of them. Man, I really don't want to do that though. Although I think I should. Because yeah, right now, because I was just thinking for this item system, it'd be nice if I just reused this whole frickin' thing. Because all the objects are basically the same. Although some of them are different colors. Basically what I would do is in the one byte that I have, just use like one bit for like toggling the color red and blue. Because all my items are red and blue. And then use the other bits for like other stuff like what the item is. Graphically speaking and property wise. Dang it. Yeah, how could I forget that? That's such a key component. Well, it's not really a key component. You can get away without having it. But I think I'm going to have to eventually do that. Let me make a note of that, actually. Whereas notes, okay, I'm just going to write, what am I going to write? Just add options byte to spawn byte array to spawn agent. This byte is a custom byte that can mean anything an object wants it to mean. Okay. All right, but for now, I actually need to create the item system. I'm guessing, well, split equals 0. Wondering if I should since I have I have this kind of organized like this. Maybe this should just be item 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. Can that make sense? I think that makes sense. All right. So I guess like bomb. Bomb. Oh, let me do this properly. Item sword, item axe, item bottle, bottle, item fire, item dagger, oh shoot. Or should 0 be item? Nah, whatever. I was just thinking empty item. All right. Well, there's your 8 possibilities. Okay. Nice thing with, actually, yeah, maybe I would have been better off having this thing down here. Maybe I would have been better off with that. Dang, I kind of want to reorganize that now. Yeah. Because if I have this whole thing that's loaded in here, oh man. Yeah, I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to keep these all three together. Makes the code easier and more efficient. Well, actually, does it make it more efficient? I always could just use arrays. Just index all this stuff. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Sneaky. You know what? What if I do this? If I move this to here, these three here, here, and here, that way that frame still gets loaded here. Here, here, here. Yeah, that makes sense, actually. Let me do that. Let me just do that right now. I also need to add another frickin' color. Why don't I have another color here? Why did I do that? Doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Where did I... Just wondering where I'm gonna have to open up my other sprite map, my main one that has these sprites. I'm wondering if I should just fix that right now. Yeah, I think I should actually. I think I shall. I think I shall. Shall I expose my main sprite map? Well, let me frickin' find where my where the hell are my icons? Where are all my item icons? Aha! Here they are. Yeah, very different. And these are some other items that I had, like health items. I should probably add those into the game as well. Yeah, I drew some meat, I drew some cheese, I drew an egg, and some grapes. Yeah. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. Although this, I'm not going to be able to do this brown. Yeah. Yeah, that's just going to have to be red. Oh, no wonder why. Because, like, yeah, black blends in here. So, yeah, let me copy these over. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do to you. Get rid of that. Okay. Do. I'm really gonna have to draw this properly. Good enough. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, that looks good enough for that item. Okay. Okay. Someone says, sprites look nice. Why, thank you. I spent a fair amount of time on them. Let's see. Yeah, I just need to get the colors right. Yeah, this little sword is supposed to be like a throwing sword, so I drew multiple of them. I just need to... Yeah, I wonder how this is going to work. I wonder how this is going to work. Wondering if... Nah, this is fine. I was thinking about drawing a box around them all, but I think this is fine. I think this is fine. Although this looks kind of jagged. Just gotta break that up a bit here. Oops. Okay. Add that one in. Okay. How does that look from a distance? Not the greatest, but this should be on a mostly black setting, so yeah. Like one of my other scenes that I have rendered, so obviously, like, let's see. here. This is not finished, but like this basically is just going to be thrown in an environment like this. Do this real quick. Really? Those are different colors? Silly. Yeah. So it almost like doesn't even matter. Yeah, it looks fine when it's mixed into its proper environment. Yeah, I don't know if I want these extra little ones up to the sides here. Not sure if that looks right. It's like some weird hovering thing. So I might just get rid of those. Just have the main item right there. Okay. So let me just get rid of those. It just doesn't look right in game. This is good enough for this one. All right, so just cutting away more at this. Yeah, graphics stuff takes such a long time to do for me. Let's see. But it's fun. It is really fun. Do I like that? The Garbanzo says maybe the whoosh lines to signify they are thrown. Yeah, I mean, they kind of are, but like as just a static thing that sits in the environment when you pick it up, I just felt like it looks kind of off. Like, I don't know. Then again, like this item is literally fire. I feel like I might have to redesign this to be something else. Like maybe an oil can or something instead. Because, yeah, if a player sees fire, they're going to think that's like not an item. They're going to think that's, yeah, they're going to think that's something else, like something that can hurt you. I wonder, like, could I quickly make something here? Yeah, for me, sprites, it's a lot of like just trial and error. Like, what could I do? What could I do differently here? Instead of some kind of canister. Do I want like a canister? What do I want to do? What would I want to do? I would need to think about what would I even want to make. So narrow. Can I even fit anything in here? Not really. I would need to make this a bit wider to do that. I was thinking like writing the word like oil. Garbanzo says, depends on your aesthetic. Put brackets in the corners to have pickup stand out. Yeah, I was thinking about like yeah, the fire sprite does look nice. I was thinking like maybe what I could do is in game, you know, I show the sprite normally as it is, but then to make it stand out more as like something that you could pick up, I was thinking about doing this where I could, how do I want to do this? So I've done this in other games. Basically, you do this. And this, I might end up doing this too, but how do I want to do this? Something that kind of looks like this, I guess. Sucks that this is uneven. Yeah. Basically, on one frame you render the item, and then on a different frame you'd like render like a box around the item. So it kind of looks like this. Hey, that's too narrow. Okay, let me put this down here. Dang it. Okay. Well, something like that. And it flashes. Well, it wouldn't look exactly like that. Here, let me just... Let's see. Aha. Okay. Yeah, I like to use Game Maker to prototype crap, so that's probably too big. Whatever. Getting the timing right here might be a little tricky. Not that one. This one. Okay. I should have copied this. And I should have done this where I cut it. And then I paste it. And then I cut this. And I'll just dye the whole background black because that's like what the game's kind of going to look like. And it's 60 frames per second. Yeah, I don't know if that looks right. Although, yeah, I think I think my computer's just kind of lagging out. Basically, like this color would be cut in half, and this color would be cut in half, and the two would be merged together. So they would actually kind of overlay each other a bit. And if I really wanted to, I could like change this color. I don't know what you'd call this, like every other frame. So it looks something kind of like this. Or maybe not every other frame. Maybe I could do it like, just to make it look like it's blinking more. I could do something like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I would hold each frame for a few. Or cycle. Hold this cycle and then go to this cycle to make it actually look like it's flashing. I'd have to hold this out I'd have to copy this a bunch of times in order for this to be proper, and I can't select multiple and paste multiple in this editor. To simulate it more, it'd look like yeah, it's too flashy to simulate properly here. I mean, I could get it to work, but it would just take it'd take a lot of copying and pasting. But yeah. Yeah, I need to focus on just recoloring these things. So I have the proper number of colors here. But yeah, I might do something like this. I don't know. Let me continue to separate these things out. Yoop. Okay. All right, cut that out. I think that looks good. That looks right to me. There's my broken bottle. Yeah, the fire, I'm not sure if I really want black border around it. Okay, get right there. That's probably good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. This thing. Probably just use this. And there. And here and here. Okay, get rid of that. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, those look a lot better. So now, okay, I need to recolor these so I can fit them into the game. By recolor, I really mean strip color away. Yeah, for the face, I could probably, I think in my, where is it? I had more color originally. Oh, that's right, that's right, that's right. Oh, oh. Yeah, I had to take color away because I wanted to reuse the same palette as the character sprite. Yeah, like this is the original color that I had for the player icon. It's like an extra color in here. But I mean, I could change palettes mid-screen. Although it is a little bit tricky to do. It's possible to do. But I think I just wanted to save on the space. But, well, regardless, there are still 3 colors here. Black is a color. And these still need to be recolorized. Okay. And the organization here, God. Oh, I'm going to do this another goddamn time. Okay. Okay, I wanted to move you. God, shuffling these things around so many times. Okay, you. And I wanted to move you. So this will be moved. This will be moved here. Yes. And this will be moved. What status do I want? Here? No, here. Yeah, he has to be there. Then this one will be... This one will be here. Oh, wait a minute. Did I cut off? Huh. Weird. Okay. He needs to be here. He needs to be here. And this one needs to be here. Yes, because this window gets loaded as sprites. This one will be moved there, so that makes the math all work out. Same with this. All right. Yes. Nice, simple intervals. Okay. Okay, and now let me backfill this space. Dang it, I forgot. I missed this. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this makes more sense. This makes a lot more sense. Now to redo these, I'm going to strip their color. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is black now. God, I still have the same problem here, even though this is a bitmap. That's so frustrating. You'd think Paint would work with Microsoft. Yeah, I never had these problems before. I think it was on Windows 8 that I started experiencing this weird glitch. Yeah, wish I could go back to Windows 7. Windows 7 was where it was at. Okay, this is the secondary color. So yes. Yes, yes, yes. And this is the first color. Okay. And okay. Okay. Okay, that looks way better. Way better than frickin' transparency. Alright, so you need to be moved right there. Then you need to be moved right there. This one will go right there. This one right here. Oops. This one. Right there. I will throw this one. Okay, right there. And this one. I guess, yeah, over one right there. Okay. Yeah, and yeah, this is fine. This should be fine. Well, probably should add some opaqueness to this one at least. Since this will be in the play field, this will actually be in-game. These two don't matter. None of these ones matter. Neither do these or these. In fact, I have to do that for that. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go again. Gotta re-index these things, hopefully for the last time. I think this will be the last time I have to do this re-indexing. Obviously, I'm gonna have to keep modifying this, like add more items and stuff in here. I should probably streamline this process a bit more. Okay. So now I have to is it you? No. Okay. You. Edit. I think it was this one. Oh my god. Open with. Okay, paste. Yeah, I already forgot. Was this 7? Yeah, bank 7. Save. Oh, what? open in another program. What other program? Okay, wait. Save this again. Still open in another what other program? Oh, Microsoft. What the hell? I don't see any other program. Why can't this thing just tell me? Like, yeah, this is the program that it's open in. And I've got a frickin' million programs open. Yeah, untitled. Not that one. Okay. Okay. All right, and then I have to do what? Ooh, no, I now remember. I remember I was supposed to scramble it. That is to say, I have to convert it to 8x16 instead of 8x8 display. And I'm getting an error saying that there's more than 4 colors here. And I can't convert. Lovely. What the hell would be the other color? Yeah, no. Well, I should probably fix this in my main file in here. What could be the other color? I hate when this happens. Especially because this thing, like, does this stupid thing where I can't properly erase colors. Alright, I'll find it. Doesn't look like that's the additional color. Is it this? Aha, yeah. There it is. Let's see, is it anywhere else? No, it's just there. Blends in so frickin' well. Okay, and now if I... Okay, so that should be it. Okay. Okay. Try this again. God. Okay. Now, convert. And... yeah, I should probably just modify this bat file to do the additional conversion here. Okay. Save in. Okay. All right, now that that's done, rebuild, and where is is my... There we are. And I want to keep this over here. Yeah, this is the load seam. Way past that. Main. Okay, okay. Load. Okay, there we go. And it was... Yeah, where was it? Just looking for the area where I actually load these parts right here. Okay. So now that I've changed this again, yeah, these are kind of all over the place now. Okay. And well, let me see if the transparency thing, that should be fixed. And it is. No transparency there. Okay. But I have to reorder these things now. And let me just do that. Okay, item is no longer... Okay, where is it? So it was 18. 7C, 7E. Seven C, 7E. $53. What? What the hell is this? 523? 5. Ugh. Okay. All right. Save. Assemble. Okay. All right. So item. Time. Is it the boss graphic? That's 18 in 1A now. 18, 1A. And the last one was player. Okay, player. Player is 5C, 5E. 5C, 5E. Okay. 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 Back to normal. Okay. Now, 512. Alright, so we have all these bombs. We have all these items. So now, now I need to make my item, my player item. Where shall I put it? Probably here. Player item. The kind of item the player is holding. Hold. Oh my god, if I could spell holding. Oh, I forgot to put the food items in. Whatever. I'll do that later. Besides, those things just restore health. Okay. Actually, do I even have room for those things? Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, because those bad boys take up a lot of space. Well, I guess I got quite a bit of space for projectiles. And like the bottle, I can just reuse the bottle graphic. Yeah, I'd like 3 food items, which would consume like this much space. And then the rest would just be projectiles here. I think that would work. I think that works. Oh, I think that works. I think that works. Okay, so now I added player item mode. Okay. Right, and I can couple this with the graphical data now. Please tell me you have the classic full turkey as a health item. I actually do not. I could do that though, although I don't really have space for it. Yeah, all I have is just the, oh, what was it? It's like the generic meat, the fruit. Wait, did I have 3 or did I have 4? I just looked at them. Where the heck did I have them? Oh, I had 4. Yeah, I had 4 items. Yeah. Yeah, I've got the slab of meat. I've got the block of cheese. I got egg. Yeah, maybe I could do the turkey instead of the egg. Yeah, turkey egg. Yeah, the grapes. Those are my items that I have, food items. Although I'm not even sure if I'll be able to fit all of these in. That'll be such a shame if I can't. Although I could add it to like some swappable area of memory. Basically, at certain stages would just be fixed with certain food items. Something I'll have to think about. I'll have to think about how I'm going to organize memory. But yeah, classic full turkey. It is an amazing item. An amazing comestible indeed. All right. So I created this mode. So now all I need to do in that load section, oh my God, it's like way down here. Really should just split these up into different files. But it's also kind of fun and cool to have it all in one file. Here we go. In the load, yeah, steak and cheese are iconic. I do agree. Yeah, if you're making a classic game, you gotta have like classic things in it, you know? It's just the way things go. Attributes. Attributes for the item. Damn, I forgot about that. Is there any logic? Do I have any logic? No, there's no easy way to... damn it. I was thinking like, oh, you know, I could save on memory if I like reorganize these things, like all the blues are over here and then all the reds are like after. Although I could just keep them all the same color, although that's kind of lame. Whatever. I'm not going to worry about that for now. I'll just have to create an array, and then just the index of the array would contain, well, the index of the array represents the object, and the value in the array would be the attribute color. That's how you'd solve that. But yeah, let me think here. Item. This is the thing I have to change. So my base now is 60. So basically what I'd be doing is I would load the value 60. That's my base. Then I would add the offset, which is this mode. So 0, 0. Although, actually, yeah, the width here is 2. So if this is 0, and the width is 2, and these are all 2, I'd have to multiply by 2. So 1 goes to 2 then. So 0 goes to 0, because 0 times 2 is 0. 1 goes to 2, because 1 times 2 is 2. So yeah, 0, 1, 2. Then 2 goes to 4. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really more than that. It's more like 4, right? Yeah, because it goes 60, 64. It's 68. So 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. So I really need to multiply by 4. So I'd have to do this. I'd have to do this. I'd have to load the value. arithmetic shift left, arithmetic shift left. Then add 60. And then STA. Oh my god. STA. Well, no. I'm already doing store. Store there, and then add I think what, just 2? It's faster to add with do I have to clear carry again? I can't remember. My mode, though, is 7 when I begin. And this now has to be moved. This has to be moved now. This has to be... Actually, do I want to do that? Do I really want to be writing every freaking frame? This data, I feel like that's unnecessary. Once it's there, I only need to update this once once it changes. Should I just create a routine? Do I just create a routine? Update item display. Guess that works. Okay. The draw, I think. Okay. Okay. Change item to 1 because of the gun. Okay. Label already defined, 221. Let me remember my location. Two, two, one. 211. Player item mode already exists? Oh yeah, I guess I already defined it. I defined it, and I didn't even use it? Because I was thinking ahead. There. What the hell am I using this for? Oh, it's a different mode. And I use 0 for knife. Oh, that's confusing. I should call that something else. Or I should maybe 8. Load player item mode. Oh, dang. Knife mode. Knife. Yeah, in the game, you have like a main weapon and like a side weapon. Kind of like in Batman and Castlevania. Batman, you have punch, and then you've got like an additional weapon. Castlevania, you have the whip, and then you have an additional weapon. The knife is supposed to be the main weapon in this game. An item mode means something different here. I'm just gonna call it. Maybe I need to call it some item main. This is so bad. Okay, I wrote that one. Okay. Update. Yeah, okay. It's really just those 2 spots? Makes me wonder if I should even have had that. I'm gonna have to rethink this. Just to get this working. Okay, and hooray! Now I have a gun, because I picked up a gun. Alright, well, I got that feature working. I might have to look into that knife thing. item you have picked up. See item enums. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Of course, yeah, again, I'm not updating the attribute here. That's something that kind of will have to be done. That's not difficult to do, but just something to consider. Man, it's not that many bytes. It's like 8. All right, yeah, I think this is a good place for me to stop. Yeah, it's getting pretty late. Yeah, I think now that I have this, I could start working on just like actually implementing projectiles in the projectile system. That'll be hooked into the item system. So yeah, that will be work for next time. But yeah, I'd say this pretty much wraps it up. Yeah, all right. With that, I shall end the stream. Thanks for watching. See you next time.